afternoon, guys. My name is Luke. Welcome to Ruth Farms. Today we are not on our farm. We're about an hour southwest of our farm here in Wingate, North Carolina. We're at my buddy Riley's farm, and today he is cutting winter wheat with a Case IH 8250. Right now my brother Coleman and my grandpa are in the combine with him riding. I've been getting some drone footage, and I'm going to hop in there here in a little bit and get y'all some footage on the inside of a red machine. I'm a green man, but it's a nice combine. Not sure if you guys can see him in there, but Coleman is laying on the floor right there in the cab. Riley is driving. My grandpa is riding shotgun, cutting some soft red winter wheat here in North Carolina. Beautiful sight. Running a FD 130 Baucom flex draper. There's sickles on the header that cut the wheat. It runs down the header on flex drapers. It goes through the machine through rotors, which take the grain off the away from the plant material. The grain goes into the grain tank, and then all the chaff and extra material comes out here at the back. The Case IH 8250 has a 480 horsepower engine and a 410 bushel capacity grain tank. This means the grain tank can hold approximately 24,600 pounds of soft red winter wheat at a time. When the combine gets full, it has to come back to a truck, in this case a semi-truck, and unload. The semi-truck will be taken from the field to a grain bin or a holding facility of some sort nearby and emptied, and will be stored until it can be hauled to market. Fun fact for you, 1 bushel of wheat is almost 1 million individual kernels and will make almost 45 boxes of cereal. Look at that wheat going in that header. This is a Case 8250. It's got I think it's a 30-foot Baucom draper header, which means it has belts in the center of the header. Instead of ours, it has an auger. The flex just feeds in a little bit more even. Pretty awesome. There's only a few around the house that run drapers. So.
This combine's 2 years old, so it's very much new. Soft red winter wheat. Draper header has belts in here instead of an auger up here like ours has. It has belts that take it to the center, and then a belt in the center that takes it into the feeder house. This makes our 6620 look like a baby. A wee little lad. Draper head is beautiful. It's a little faster than the 6620. So we here in the cab, we got Sierra. This is Riley. This is the guy I bought my sprayer from, the Wilmar. They actually farmed this field with the Wilmar for years, which is pretty cool. The Wilmar's never seen this big of a field around home. But Riley is a 29-year-old, 4th, 5th generation farmer here in Monroe, North Carolina. He has been a good mentor to me the last few months. But he helped me out a lot last year too when I bought the sprayer from him. But we're here in his Case IH 8250. It's got a 30-foot draper head on it. And this is a weed-eating machine. Coleman and my grandpa have already been riding. And Sierra's here behind me. I'm sitting in the floor. Thankfully, this is a bigger cab than the 6620. Thankfully, Riley was nice enough to let us come out and get some video and show y'all the red side of things. It's an awesome machine. Well, not only the green stuff breaks. Blow the hydraulic hose. At least this one's free. So these are the sickle sections that cut the wheat. The wheat comes through here, goes between these two bars here, and these knives go back and forth. That's what cuts our wheat off. Then you've got the reel here, which has these plastic teeth, which pull the crop up and onto that belt, which brings the crop over there. It goes up another belt and into the feeder house. Now this combine, this is a rotor type machine. It has a rotor that goes basically the whole length of the combine. That's what does all the threshing. Whereas ours has a cylinder, which sits in the combine about right here and turns this way. This one has a rotor that goes that way and turns. Some combines have a twin rotor. This is just a single rotor. But we blew a steering hose right there. If y'all can tell, it's still leaking. The rain's on the way. It's a Sunday. So, of course, far end of the field away from the truck, and it's full of grain. And the rain will be here in 2 hours, with probably an acre and a half to go here. Work on a Sunday, fix on a Monday. We're going to try to fix on a Sunday. We got the whole crew here. Coleman, Papa Larry's over there. There's Sierra. Riley's in the service truck. Redneck ingenuity. You got a hose clamp holding a little piece of water hose over the bad place. Hopefully he can get finished what little bit and get the truck unloaded. Fill it up with oil and see what happens. You can see it squirting down there a little bit. Race to the finish. It ain't leaking as bad as we think, I don't think. I think it'd be a lot bigger pond down there. Unless it's spraying it back up under us. That's probably the one that's blown. Thankfully you can run fast. Scalp.
And death.
And hydraulical. It's good looking wheat. It's damn good. It's not turning out. Yep, that's all you can do. Deal the cards you dealt, do it again. It definitely looks like 100 bushel wheat. Last unload of the day.
Not my choice.
That's nice too. See if we can lower.
Y'all see it?
He's got a camera up there so you can see in the truck. Because from here, it's kind of hard to see. At least you got plenty of distance between your truck and your header.
Yeah, I'll just play on for 30-foot head.
Mm-hmm. Well, she got a bath. Just an oil bath. What a mess. You got through though. For this farm. Now it's time for Case to do their job and fix it. This one's under warranty. Not only the old stuff breaks, the new stuff does too. This is a mammoth of a machine. What do you think, Coleman? Maybe 40 years, 50 years?
Let me sit her down. That shit, no, it won't because you want everybody ready.
Coleman knows me. They're nice. I mean, I like them. I like them. They're nice. One of the worst parts about farming. Blowing the combine off. Sure saves you a lot of work when you go to wash them though. Especially with the rain coming. And there's rain coming. Looks like we're going to get some at home too, thankfully. Hopefully we can get started on our week. Maybe next weekend or the following week. Appreciate Riley letting us come out here and take up some of his time. We tried to stay out of the way as much as we could, but there's only so much you can do when you're riding in the cab with him. But appreciate him letting us come out. If anybody's in the area, Baucom Feed Mill, they sell all kinds of feed, clean grain and stuff. Y'all check them out here in Monroe, North Carolina. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a good day. Don't forget to leave us a like, comment, subscribe for more. We're going to be getting in the field ourselves for long. Hopefully with no breakdowns.